6 months ago, Nick, we went and met with Capital Fund One. They came in and we did a podcast together. When we did the podcast together, I said, well, before I'm gonna really send people to you, I wanted the experience of dealing with y'all one time. So we went and we did a hard money loan on building this house. So when we did the hard money loan on building this house, we took it out of another project. I didn't pull the money out of this house. I pulled it out of a house I didn't owe any money on. So when I pulled that money out, we took that money, we built this house. The house is done. I sat down this morning, I had a breakfast with 4 of the people from Capital Fund One. When we met, I told them, I said, look, I got the house done, I can pay you off now, but I would rather wait. Well, I have a year to pay them back, so I don't have to pay them back right now. They said, well, if you want to wait, just wait. I said, well, I may need a little bit longer than that. They said, well, if it goes over that, then what happens is it's a 1% charge for another 6 months. So if I got $250,000 for them, it'll cost me $2,500 to start the interest running for another 6 months, which to me is a pretty good deal. If I'm going to take that money and I can use $250,000 for 6 months, and all I got to do is pay $2,500 for it plus whatever the interest is on it, I'm going to probably do that and go build another property. But I just want to tell you, my experience with them has been great. They have been easy to work with. Now, a lot of paperwork at first, and they said the first time you deal with them, it's a little more difficult, but after that, everything comes into place. Capital Fund One will be at our class this coming week. They will be talking on Friday. So we're going to bring them in, let them explain what they do, let them help you learn how you can get money from a hard money lender or somebody like that that's an asset-based lender, and they give you the money. Doesn't matter about your credit and stuff like that. They just want to know that you can pay the loan back and that the asset is worth it if you can't. So come to the class, check them out. I think that would be a great opportunity for people to understand a little bit more about hard money lending, because so many people have such a bad taste in their mouth about it. But my experience with Capital Fund One has been a really good experience, and I'm just pleased to go ahead and tell people, if you're looking for somebody, look them up on the internet, see what you can do. Come to the classes, let us know what you need if we can help you, send us a message, we'll send you the information if we need to. Thank you very much, have a great day.